Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. I am Biplab. When you're checking Windows Update, if you see Windows Update stuck on checking, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep watching from first to last. First come Windows search bar and type here services. Then click on services. From here found Windows Update, then select it, then click on the right button, then click stop. Now come this PC. Now open local disk, then Windows. Scroll down and found software distribution. Click on that. Data store and download. Delete these two folders. Then click services. Here found Windows Update. Click on the right button, then click start. Now if you check Windows Update, then it will not stuck or you will have no problem. So thanks for watching this video. Give a like, write a comment and subscribe this channel.